Okay guys, welcome for our new video today. Because it's a weekend, ayun, I plan to cook ng lobster. Meron pa ako natitira isang lobster sa ref ko. So I decided to cook it sa air fryer. Actually, this air fryer guys, I bought it in Alsadan at cost of 99 real only guys. So kung gusto nyo bumili guys ng air fryer sa Alsadan, I believe it's still 99 real pa rin as of now, I believe. So nga guys, pagluto natin ng lobster, of course, kailangan din sama ng sauce, of course. So, magluto ako ng butter sauce. So, sa butter sauce, we need this garlic and onion. And of course, the butter, of course, kailangan natin ng butter. And some seasonings and sauce also. So, guys, dito muna i-chop na natin yung bawang. The good things, guys, I have chop machine. It will be easy, guys, na para ma-chop natin maging mapino yung ating bawang. And also, itong onion natin, i-slice ko lang yan, guys. Manually slice ko na lang kasi nga hindi mo siya mahirap itong sibuyas lang. Not like the garlic. And guys, optional guys, if you want spicy, mahilig kayo spicy guys, you can add it this chili. So, mahilig ako sa spicy, so I added 2 chilies. And sa pag-iisa natin guys, of course, yung garlic natin and onions natin guys, let it na maging golden brown natin yung natin, itong garlic and onion natin. Then so yun, once na mag golden brown na yung garlic and onions natin, then lagyan na natin yung butter natin. Then let it melt na mamelt yung butter natin. Then we can add oyster sauce, a little bit of ketchup, and then black pepper. Yan, haluin natin, mix natin guys yung sauce natin na pinanggal natin. Then sugar din guys, it depends sa inyo kung if you are sweet lovers guys, you can add more sugars. And then dito nalagyan ko siya ng Coke. Actually, optional lang yan guys. If you want water, Sprite, or Coke, it depends sa kung kayo masaya guys. So me, I love Coke. Then yan guys, mga 10, I just cook this yung butter sauce natin lang, mga 10 minutes lang, 12 minutes lang. It's very easy to cook guys, tong butter sauce natin. And then yun nga guys, luto na yung yung lobster. So it cooked for 20 minutes, I believe. It was 20 minutes guys na naluto lang natin yung lobster natin. And then guys, of course, sinamahan ko rin ng pipino. Nagbalatiran ako ng pipino guys, na yun, para partner natin niya sa lobster natin guys. So sobrang sarap guys talaga ng lobster guys, lalo pag yung steam like lang, kasi ang air fryer guys is like a steam, parang ni-steam mo lang talaga siya. So wala talaga ng waters talaga or any kind of liquid. So talagang doon talaga yung lasa lang talaga na maintain or sustain lang talaga yung lasa ng lobster. Then sabayan natin ng cold drinks, of course, para masarap ang natin ang kainan natin guys. Okay, yun nga guys, bago natin end itong video, thank you for watching this video guys. And I have to finish to eat all these lobsters guys before my work. So thank you once again guys, always support for my videos guys, and to my YouTube channel. And once again, to all of viewers out there, thank you so much for keep watching my videos. God bless you all.